This is the R6. It's a very ruggedized smartwatch. You can get notifications sent from your phone. You can check your step count, distance traveled, calories burned, weekly summary, and even female cycle information if you register as a female in the app. All of that available on here. You have continuous automatic heart rate. Twist your wrist to see the time if you want that turned on. Do not disturb, all those different functions, and access to a variety of sport modes with internal GPS for walking, running, hiking, and outdoor cycling. You can take it underwater for a pool swim or open water swim and gather data, and you can add a few other things including yoga or some of the other activities. You've got the heart rate section in here that's going to actually show you your high and your low and your resting heart rate as it does your heart rate reading in the moment. You've got a relax system where you can set it to inhale, exhale, and calm yourself down. You got basic alarms, remote music playing from your phone. You've got a built-in stopwatch. Unfortunately, it doesn't run in the background and you can't leave it without leaving it, but it is there. You've got weather in your area when you're tethered to the phone. That'll show you your weather conditions over the next few days, sports records of what you've done in the past, and you can toggle through some of the basic information too. You got settings which allow you to change your dials to a variety of them, and you even can put in one custom face downloaded from a pool of faces from the Tethering app. All in all, it's a pretty nice little smartwatch. It has built-in GPS. It is waterproof, submersible, IP68. It's a Blackview R6. Check it out.